Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to pick favorable charts. So for example, you're looking at Bitcoin versus USD. So you want to look for like uptrending charts. So it's uptrending. Obviously it's uptrending. This is uptrend because it's all green and then the trend keeps on going up. If you connect the dots, it's like basically, look, it's an uptrend. You see it? It's going up. And this is a favorable chart to trade. I don't know, 60-minute. I'm at the 1 hour. So, and even a daily as an uptrending chart. So this chart is favorable to trade. So if you're looking for to bot trade, for example, ETH versus BTC, it's a downtrending chart. You do not want to be trading this one because it's downtrending, and you can just draw the line, and you can tell it's downtrending. This is the chart you don't want to trade. And the two EMAs cross, so this is a sell, and that's the strategy with that one, the 5 and 20. When you cross right here and then it's below the lines, it's a sell. So it's like goes all the way down right here, kaboom, kablooey. And then if you want to look for other charts to trade, you can just go to crypto market cap and go, oh, let's look at Ripple. So let's look at Ripple versus BTC or something. XRP versus BTC. It's on Binance, it's on Bittrex. So this is also a downtrending chart. You do not want to be trading this one because it's 3 red candles in a row, and it's also downtrending, and it's also below the 2 EMAs. So this is not a buy. And another way to tell if it's a buy or not is you can go look at anything and go show more technical analysis, and you just go, is this thing a buy? So Bitcoin right now is neutral. It's a buy. It's a buy. So all these are the indicators. So these are all like the mathematical indicators are about that to show to buy or not sell. So that's how you choose coins. And then I would just use the front pagers, and then I would just look at favorable charts. You want to just buy uptrending charts. We'll just do another one like probably VeChain and see what they're selling of VeChain. So VeChain is at Binance, so VEN versus BTC. So let's look at VEN versus BTC. See, you have it. So it on the daily is uptrending because it's 3 green candles, so it's a buy, and it's a crossing right here with the EMA, so it's a buy right now. But you have to see if this level holds. So if this level holds right here, let's make this screen a little bit fatter. Right here. So we have to make sure this thing holds. If it goes below the 2 lines, then it doesn't hold. But these 2 candles don't look that great, but it's 1, 2, 3 looks great. So it breaks below, but right now it's if it breaks the previous low is 541. So if it gets below that low, so if it keeps on making like lower lows and high, these the highs become lower. Let's draw that. Okay, what are highs? These are highs. So the highs of the close of the day. So this is also going down, and then the 2 lows are the low points. So it's also going down. So it's 2 low highs and 2 low lows. So it's on a mini downtrend. But it's across here. So it's really up to you to buy or not. But if there's volume and it doesn't break this support right here, then it's a buy. So if it breaks below this support right here, then this thing can go all the way back to the next resistance, which is here. I'm drawing so many lines. So this is the next level, and so it has to break this price point to reach the next one, which is here. And then you know how it goes, just whenever there's like stuff. Oh, it's not TA class. The next level, different levels. But it really depends on your trading strategy. But if you base your trading strategy on the cross, this has never been a sell. So you buy right here because the cross right here, not a sell, 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 and then one day you sell, target, whatever, like right here, because you buy right here, and like a couple of months or something, and it pulls back on this big red candle. Big red candle means sell. So you're still holding, but oh, it's okay, it's okay. And then, but this is a sell, the cross right here. So you can use the EMA cross as a strategy, the 5 and 20. That's what the forex traders use. Call out balloon. Where the heck are you? Use a star or something. There we go. Yeah, that's not that goal. In a circle. Not that one. There you go. Boom, right here. Looks cool. So yeah, but this is an indicator that it's a buy right now. So it could keep on going up because the V chain is a Chinese coin and looks like a pretty good long-term investment. But as long as the market is green, this should just keep on going up. But if the Bitcoin market is red, it's gonna go back down. So if you like this video, hit a like, and I hope you learn how my mentality of trading is. If not, you can just use this thing from TradingView, the technical side, to see if it's a buy, neutral, or sell. It's really up to you because they use all the indicators that other traders use, and based on like whatever mathematical stuff is behind this stuff, from like statistics, it's a buy or sell. So it's really up to you. But then again, all these indicators are just bullshit, and you really can't see the future. Like, oh, I don't know. You're playing with the stock, like, it goes up and down, up and down. Oh no, oh no, and then it goes red. You can't see the future. So let's pretend like you have none of this stuff. So this is you. It's like, I don't know. It's like, oh crap, I lose. You can't see the future. So indicators can be all garbage. It's really, up to how the market shows itself, but I'll be prepared for anything, because like in a stock world, technical analysis is voodoo and not is bullcrap. So, but some traders use it, some don't. Some are like long-term investors, because some people just like buy coins or securities based on the name, or because they like it, or they feel like a company can grow, or they read their financials and see how they're doing. So that's how that works. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and hit a like and subscribe. Please share my videos, and use some of my affiliates to help me out and keep me going with this channel. Peace out, guys.